Hello kids! Today we are going to learn vegetable names and their colors. Are you ready? Let's go! Black color. Let's learn vegetable names together. This is a potato, capsicum, broccoli, cucumber, onion, corn, tomato, carrot, garlic, beetroot, pumpkin, eggplant. Let's start tracing. First we trace potato. This is potato. Capsicum. This is capsicum. Broccoli. This is broccoli. Cucumber. This is cucumber. Onion. This is onion. Corn. This is corn. Corn. Tomato. This is tomato. Carrot. Kids, this is carrot. Garlic. This is garlic. Garlic. Beetroot. This is beetroot. Beetroot. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. This is pumpkin. Eggplant. This is eggplant. Tracing is done. Now it's color time. First we learn color names. Brown color, yellow color, green color, parrot color, pink color, orange color, black color, red color, sky blue color, purple color, blue color, white color. Let's start coloring. Let's start color the vegetables. First we color potato. This is a brown color. Color the potato brown. Kids, this is a potato and this is a brown color. Black color. This is potato. Great job. Green color. capsicum. Color the capsicum green. Capsicum has green color. Parrot color. This is a capsicum. Capsicum has green color. Great job! Parrot color. This is broccoli. This is broccoli. Green color. Broccoli. Broccoli has green color. Great job! Parrot color. Cucumber. Cucumber has parrot color. Color the cucumber parrot. Cucumber has parrot color. Green color. Cucumber has green color. Well done. Pink color. This is onion. Color the onion pink. Onion has pink color. This is onion. This is onion. Brown color. Onion. Well done. Parrot color. This is corn. This is corn. Corn has parrot color. Yellow color. Color the corn yellow. Corn has parrot and yellow color. Red color. This is tomato. Tomato has red color. Tomato has red color. Kids, what is this? This is tomato. Green color. Orange color. This is carrot. Carrot has orange color. Color the carrot orange. Kids, what is this? This is carrot. Parrot color. Brown color. This is garlic. Garlic has brown color. Color the garlic brown. Kids, this is garlic. Green color. Wow, it looks great. Pink color. Beetroot. Color the beetroot pink. Beetroot has pink color. Parrot color. Kids, what is the name of this vegetable? Beetroot. This is beetroot. Orange color. Pumpkin. Color the pumpkin orange. Kids, what is this? This is pumpkin. Pumpkin has orange color. Pumpkin has orange color. This is pumpkin. Green color. This is pumpkin. Purple color. Eggplant. Kids, this is eggplant. Color the eggplant purple. Eggplant has purple color. Green color. This is eggplant. Wow, it looks great. Beautiful. Let's say it together. This is potato, capsicum, broccoli, cucumber, onion, corn, tomato, carrot, garlic, beetroot, pumpkin. This is eggplant. See you in next video. Goodbye, kids.